Hey again, y'all. Don't ask me why I got this mask on in my car. I'm a creature of habit. I'm so used to this thing I bought during and go to sleep with it. But I hope y'all having a blessed day. This is actually another video on the same day where I'm like, you know what? I'm getting McAlisters. If you don't know what McAlisters is, it's almost like a Jason's Deli. If you have a Jason's Deli, and I haven't tried all of their food, but what I have tried, I really like it. So today I'm actually getting their I want to get the correct name, so I'm gonna post in the description. But I'm getting there. I think is it loaded nachos or something? I forgot what type of nachos it is. But I got it without black olives because I don't like black olives. Thank you. So, do they have like a receipt of what I got? No, they don't. Wait. Yeah, it's the ultimate nachos, y'all. The ultimate nachos. And like I said, I'm gonna post like maybe a picture on here if I can figure out all this techie stuff. I'm gonna post a picture so y'all can see. So yeah, so wait till I get to work and then we're gonna try them out. I'm driving to work now, so I'm gonna do like the whole nacho thing, okay, so y'all can see how these nachos looking. Okay. So they give you your chili separately, and then I have my avocado, my jalapeno, my corn. So all this is in here, and then plain thing of nachos. I don't want to. I'll put everything on top. Yeah, because these are toppings. Oh, it has green onions in here too. I'm gonna go ahead and pour. I like how they put everything in containers, separate containers. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on here. Put my toppings. Ooh, y'all, this gonna be litty. Ooh, oh, yes. Yes, McAlisters come through, you feels? So this is the nacho. Yeah, we about to grub. There is no beans in the nachos. That is ground meat. So let's start. Let's get into these nachos real quick. I'm gonna get one that got everything on it. Girl. Y'all, this is good. Yeah, okay, scale of 1 to 10. Okay, y'all, on a scale of 1 to 10, these nachos, I'll give it a 9. These nachos are really good. I like how everything just ties together. The tomato, the avocado, the jalapeno, the queso. It's all good, y'all. So y'all go to McAlisters and get the loaded nachos. No black olives, unless you like black olives. I don't like black olives. So y'all have a blessed day. Mwah.